If you were a songbird, standing eye to eye with a grackle could be pretty intimidating. Grackles look like they're in a permanent bad mood. Even the backyard blue jays give way to the grackles. Of course, small songbirds like these painted buntings scatter. And grackles have a pecking order among themselves, with the dominant one having its way. Most grackles would just give way to the red-bellied woodpecker. But this dominant grackle of the small backyard flock stands its ground, engages in a stare down, and puts up a good fight. But in the end, the male red-bellied woodpecker has his way. The woodpecker's habit of going low and having the ability to hang on means they're hard to intimidate and dislodge.